Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the cab systems. Turn the ignition to accessory or on so the radio and telematics wake. Next, enable Bluetooth on your phone and set it visible. This is necessary so the Iveco unit can detect the device. Once done, open the phone's Bluetooth list and get ready to confirm a pairing request. Make sure you know the PIN, usually 0000 or 1234, because the unit expects a confirmation to complete the link. You now navigate the Iveco's interface. Go to Menu, then Phone or Bluetooth, and choose Search Devices so the unit scans for your phone. When your phone name appears, select it on the vehicle screen. The system will show a PIN. Compare that PIN with the one on your phone to verify security, then accept the pairing on both sides. Make sure to grant access to contacts and media so calls and audio work. That's why you approve those permissions. To finish, confirm the audio route on the Infotainment. Select Bluetooth for both media and call audio, then place a quick test call and play a track so you know everything routes correctly. Once satisfied, enable Auto Connect or Trusted Device so the truck pairs automatically next time. If pairing fails, a common fix is to reboot the phone and the radio, delete obsolete pairings on both devices, and try again. This clears cache.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.